Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. If you have a Mazda RX7 FD and you're looking to upgrade your sway bar to something that's three-way adjustable, we've got just what you need. Let's take a closer look. This 32mm heavy-duty sway bar gives you a broad range of adjustment for many conditions and feedback that you want out of your car, allowing you to finely tune and dial this in for exactly what you need. As with all SIKKY sway bars, it comes with this green, high-quality powder coat to ensure a lifetime of use and keep it looking good the whole time. These high-quality, adjustable end links and hardware will allow you to fine-tune your suspension to get you that perfect setup. These CNC built aluminum adapter plates will allow perfect placement of the sway bar and bushings. The three-way adjustability of the SIKKY sway bar will allow you to adjust your suspension setup per track conditions or just the overall feel you want out of the sway bar. By running in this forward hole, you're running the stiffest setting, the middle will be medium, and this furthest back will be the softest setting for the SIKKY sway bar. The SIKKY sway bar kit also includes these high-quality black polyurethane bushings to help reduce the slop in your sway bar and minimize vibration. This is going to be a quick and easy bolt-on installation for your FD RX7. Make sure you check out our step-by-step install guide for getting this bolted up to your car, and if you want to pick one up, log on to sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.